election itself is not a solution to anything. We have had elections for the last 40 years, 42 years. We have had elections. But things that we've been crying about are still there. The economy continues to decline today. The political crisis continues to decline today. Social crisis continues to affect our people. But we've been voting and voting and voting. So election on its own is not a solution.
What would you think is a solution to
the solution
problems?
Is a national dialogue.
Yeah.
A national dialogue where everybody comes together with their issues, their grievances, their whatever is worrying them, their policies, their ideas, and develop a concrete agreement that will ensure it would then develop a vision that is common in Zimbabwe, a vision that is supported by everybody, everyone in the country. As long as we don't have or don't share the common vision and we don't work together or travel together, as long as we travel in different directions, whatever I do, someone will undo it. Whatever I build, someone will unbuild it. And as long as we're in that situation, Zimbabwe will not go anywhere. And not only Zimbabwe, Africa will not go anywhere.